Hey guys, Tennessee Yankee coming at you with a kind of an unconventional repair today for the channel, but thought it classified as a Yankee DIY. Always trying to fix things with what you have laying around. So we got this umbrella that's sitting out on the deck. I keep walking by it as it's drying off. We keep it out there to take Franklin out when he has to go to the bathroom, and we got these broken ends that are driving me nuts. So we're going to take care of that today. So obviously the way it's supposed to be is they have this little end piece and this little part sewn in here. But that gives way and then it just breaks apart. So this end piece is kind of sharp. So this end piece is kind of sharp now. It's broken. And I'm like, okay, what can we do to wrap this back around yet protect the end? So what I came up with is, I think what works really good, well, we're going to test this out here. I'll show you doing one, but put a valve stem cover on the end, wrap it around so that provides a protection, and then just zip tie it. So I got one that I just did right here. I zip tied it. I haven't cut it off yet. And I got two more to repair, so let's try that, see how they work out. Okay, so my first step is just to remove this broken end on this one. You could almost reuse that, but the end is a little bit too sharp, so it'll probably just rip right through it. So at first, when I looked at this, I'm like, what do I have? Thought I'd take a little piece of rubber that I have laying around, kind of cover the end, but that's really hard to keep there. So I said, wait, what about a valve stem cover? So it seems to be just the ticket. It's nice and rounded. It's the right shape. So we'll put that on there. Just going to wrap this back around. Give me enough material. Then I'm going to take one of these small zip ties. You could probably use a bigger one, but these smaller ones, they really get around there nicer. And it's probably helpful to kind of start it first. There we go. Now we can bring it back around. Make sure we get enough on there to completely bite around there. Get on the other side of the valve stem cover and then tighten her up all the way. So now we got complete tension on that and our whole end is protected. And I got one more. Let me fix this third one. And then I'm sure others are going to continue to break and we can follow the same process. All right, once you get the hang of it, it's really quick. So yeah, I think that's gonna work. Now we'll go ahead and let's clean these ends up. I love these dikes, these channel lock dikes. Probably put a link to them in the description. It's been one of my favorite tools. Okay, so that's it. We've repaired 3 of them today. Like I said, these ones are still going, but I'm sure they'll croak pretty soon. So now we got an umbrella we can work with again. Doesn't look too bad. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Hey guys, Tennessee Yankee. Thanks for watching. If you found this content helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button on your right. I have other content linked for you on the left side. Otherwise, we'll see you next time. Thanks again for watching.